San Jose cops, who fatally sh0t woman on Christmas Day, cleared of wrongdoing. For San Jose, California, a 24-year-old woman they mistook for another driver on day will not face prosecution, the district attorney's office said. San Rosen's office also released a graphic video from one of the police officer's body cameras, which marked the final moments of Jennifer Vasquez's life. In the early hours of Christmas, 24-year-old Vasquez was speeding and driving erratically in a stolen white Toyota Camry that police believed had just been involved with a drive-by shooting, the report said. Vasquez had driven. After the protracted chase, the car crashed and the 79 seconds to follow were captured on the body camera. Multiple. Vasquez then rammed into a marked police car with an officer standing on the other side. At this point, at the time of the shooting, nothing Jennifer Vasquez did on December 25, 2018, dispelled the reasonable suspicion that she was exactly who the police were looking for, an armed fleeing felon who had just shot 2 people and may have shot a third 2 hours earlier. Even after the crash, the car's passenger, Linda Carmona Bruno, 28, suffered non-life-threatening injuries, prosecutors said. Lydia Jimenez, a family friend, said that Vasquez's family was not ready to comment on the release of the report and the video. Prosecutors said that police found burglary.
Raindrop, truck top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park,